it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a tutorial over IZONE's new song called La Vie and Rose. So hopefully I'm saying it correctly, but this is such a good song and I think it's one of I love this debut song. I think it's a great debut song for this group and it was a completely different concept than what I was expecting. Before we get started, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you guys do because I post tutorials and I try to stay on top of it and post a tutorial as soon as I can, so make sure you guys click subscribe because there's a ton of November comebacks coming up. And don't forget that this video is mirrored and just watch me and let's get started. So first we come and step out with our right foot in front, left, and our arms are together and then we're gonna hit out like this, as so. So we come in here. So I'm gonna focus on the hand movements. So first when you go hit left, you're gonna have it facing like this, as so. So my left hand is facing down, right hand is facing up, hit here. Then we're gonna come up to the top left here, both hands facing down. Then we move and flip this over and then we're at the top right. So it's like 1, 2, 3. So we're here, and then we come up, we're hitting here, or we're back down. So it's like a hit, 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 hit. From here, we're automatically going to the left and right with our hands. So it's like a wave, wave. Okay, let's review real quick. We're gonna go step, box, box. So let's review from the top real quick. We're gonna go step, hit, 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 left, right, come up. We're going to have our left arm up, our right leg crosses our left, and we turn here. And we then, after we finish turning, we just turned counterclockwise. We step back with our left foot, and then we kind of do like a little sigh with our right hand on our forehead. So let's review from the very beginning. We come step and square, and left, right, come up. This one crosses over, we turn counterclockwise, step back, and kind of sigh. So remember, we're gonna kind of move our wrist, so you just move from here, like in, out. So like here. So for the next few beats, they are changing formation, so it's like a step and together. Now, they're gonna make a jump before they move to their next move, so have your feet shoulder width apart. So next, they're gonna hit with their left arm like so. We're gonna take our left arm, this is propped up, this is at the bottom. We're gonna go hit. From here, we're gonna bring our hands together kind of towards the right, because right after, we're gonna bring it up, kind of like we're doing rumor, but we're just gonna bring it together, and then we're gonna drop down to the left. Okay, so then we drop down. From here, we're bringing our legs together and then we're coming out like so. Again, we just did here and we walk and feet, shoulder, kind of like a little jump, and then we come hit, 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 down, bring it together. And here's my face. So after we do this, we let it fall and then we turn. So I quickly turn and bring my right arm behind the back of my head. So I just did like a quick turn and then take my left hand, put it on the right side of my face. So we go here, and then at the same time, this one comes in sharp, but we're slowly sliding our left foot out. So we just did this, and then we quickly hit and here, and we slide. While we slide, this right hand kind of does this little sparkly movement. You're gonna see this a lot, so in this choreography. So after you come here, we come slide, slide, and then it goes la, 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 and then we turn to the left side. We roll our wrists like so, together, here, and then we're gonna kind of touch with our lips, kind of like we're smelling, I guess, like a perfume, and then, and rose. So let's start from the top. We're gonna go step, square, 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 left, right, come up, turn, and here, and then now we step, and then we plant our feet, And then from here we go left, here, up, down, come together, turn, slide, slide, wrist, here. So now after we just came with the wrist roll here, next we're turning back over here to the left. Now, it's like you're serving a plate, and then I'm having my index and thumb together. So we're coming from low to high. So it's like I'm pulling the string of my hand and it's following me until we're flat. So we come here, but at the same time my knees bend like so. So we're here and bend. And then from here, we just go pull, pull, pull. So it's low to high, we go pull, pull, pull. And then we do 3 flicks, I guess like we're flicking water. So again, we pull, 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 flick, flick, flick. Then we take like a tiny turn. We're spinning on our left foot, and then we are going towards the right. So my arm hits out like so. We're hitting out. From here, we're gonna take my right arm, come straight across, and come and hit like so. And then at the same time, I'm bringing my right foot over and prop it up like on the balls. And then we're gonna hit it, and my left hand is now at the back, like right behind my back. So again, we come pull, 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 flick, 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 hit out, here, and hit. Now we come here, we're gonna do this movement, so we're going pinky to thumb 3 times. So we go spin, kind of like roll, roll, roll. At the same time, we're moving our hips. So this is flat, we come 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th beat, we hit this down, and then we switch feet at the same time. So again, we come 1, 2, 3, and hit. So we just hit on the 4th beat down, and now our left leg is propped up. And then when she says la la la, she goes la 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 in rows. So we're gonna go from here. So she goes la la la, and then we turn la in rows. So we're another perfume like so. And then it's repeated the same thing for the 2nd time on the chorus, but let's review that whole entire chorus real quick. So we just did the wrist roll here, and then we turn to the right, come down, pull up, flick, 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 hit, here, and hit, and we come roll, 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 hit, la, 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 and rows. So again, we just came from la and rows. Now we come again back down, pull, flick, 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 and hit, turn, hit, here. Now we go 1, 2, 3. And then instead of popping it like so, we're gonna take it and do a little, I don't know what to call this. It's sort of like a kick, it's not, you're like sliding your left foot, so then your right foot can come to the front. So let me show you here. So we were right foot in front, left foot in back. So we're then taking this and slide here. We're just taking it simply just a step in front again. So after we come 1, 2, 3, come here, la, 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 in rows. And then every member kind of does its own thing because they're doing a formation, but personally, I like to come in here and then we go la, 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 in rows. And then that is it for the explanation. So I'm gonna review this whole entire thing by saying and explaining it really quick, and then we'll go straight into 75% and then 100%. So if you guys don't need the review, you guys can jump straight to 75%. If not, let's review. So again, from the top, we're gonna go here, box, 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 left, right, here, turn, and step back, take a step, here, and then we go left, here, up, down, together. Now, we turn, shine, shine, here, here, perfume, take it down, 1, pull up, flick, 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 here, and hit, 1, 2, 3, hit, la, 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 and rose, and pull, 1, 2, 3, hit, and hit, 1, 2, 3, and hit, la, 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 and rose. Alrighty, if you guys are ready for 75%, let's get to it. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. If you guys like this, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. It really helps me, and subscribe if you guys haven't already. So let me know in the comments below if you guys watch Produce 48. Personally, I didn't, but when I saw this teaser, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to learn this. This is so cool, and it's very my style. It's not too sweet, it's not too cute, but it's kind of like, it's not edgy either. So it's like right in the middle, and I love it. And anyhow, thank you guys so much again. I'm sorry that I took down my last tutorial. This one is definitely more accurate, and you guys learned a little bit more before the course. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next video.